Now you want to take some of this stuff and just dump it in here. You could beat it by hand or use a mixer. Now here's the point, you're going to need to whip your cream. You're going to whip your cream however you're going to whip your cream, but make sure that you whip your cream. You're going to need to be pretty aggressive. I was pretty ginger with my mixer here, and it didn't whip the cream like it needed to be whipped. So make sure you whip your cream correctly. Break out your fancy can opener to open your sweet condensed milk. Pour out your vanilla in your overly complicated measuring spoon. Dump your can of goodness. And make sure you get every bit of that sweet condensed milk. I mean every last bit of it. Alright, now that you got it all, mix it up. Use a spatula, use a spoon. I mean, use your fingers if you have to. Just get it all one consistency, just like this. Do you think the manual labor for this ice cream's over? Well, you're wrong. Because now you need to take half of that cream that you whipped, and then you're going to mix it in. You don't want to be too aggressive at this point in time. You don't want to bust the air bubbles. So you got the first half mixed in. Time to add the second half. Now that the first half is done, you do to the second half the same as you did to the first half. Nice, slow, and steady. Get it mixed up. If you was to add Reese's Peanut Butter Cups or Oreos, this would be the time. Here we go. It's time for the pour. Grab your pan and fill her up. Now make sure you get every bit of this. He worked hard for this here moment. Now it's time to throw your concoction in the freezer. Well, here we are. It's 3 hours later. Oh, it's a little jiggly. Is it done? I don't think it's frozen yet. 4 hours? It's been 4 hours. Is it done? I think it's done. Let's try it.
Oh, this is soft. I think it needs to sit overnight though. I'm pretty sure this is going to be better if it sits overnight. It is not quite frozen at 4 hours. Alright, here we are. I think it's not as frozen as what it needs to be. Pretty sure it needs to sit overnight. I think I might have used just a little bit too much vanilla for my taste. But if I add Oreos or chocolate powder or any of that stuff to it, it'll definitely cover it up. This is a win-win. I'm definitely going to be making this again. Alright, thanks for watching. Remember, smile while you stuff teeth.
Oh, the ice cream is much thicker this time.